Now continue with this poem. This is the circle, that is my hat. This is the circle, that is my hat. Make large circle with both hands. This is my mouth, with which words are said. Point to mouth. These are my eyes, with which I see. Point to eyes. This is my nose, that's part of me. Point to nose. This is the hair that grows on my hat. Point to hair. And this is me in my hat, all nice and red. Place hands on head, fingers pointing up and touching. So this is the poem. You can do this poem with these actions mentioned here. Okay. Now here is some extra questions that I have written on this board. You have to write down these extra questions in your copy. If you have not written, the students who have not completed this work, for that students I have written this again, and only that students have to do. फिर से मैं कह रही हूँ बेटा कि जिन बच्चों के लिए वर्क कर लिया है उन्हें ये वर्क नहीं करना है, जिन बच्चों ने ये वर्क नहीं किया है, ठीक है, सम एंड हाउ उनके जो हमारे पुराने वीडियोस वगैरह उन्होंने नहीं देखे हो, ठीक है, सिर्फ उन्हें ही बच्चों को ये वर्क करना है, सभी बच्चों को नहीं करना है. अगर आपका कॉपी में ये जो वर्क है एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस का वर्क पेंडिंग हो, देन एंड देन ओनली यू हैव टू राइट डाउन. Okay, first you have to write down the hard words, then you have to write down the extra questions of chapter number 2. So, extra questions of chapter number 2, question number 1, name them. So, you have to write down the different parts of inside our body, inside body parts. So, you have to write down inside body parts. What are the inside body parts? Yes, tell me, you know very well now. Brain, lungs, heart, stomach, blood. Okay, these are the inside body parts. Now outside body parts, the parts which we can see by our eyes, they are known as outside body parts. We already know about that. That is hands, legs, arm, okay, eyes, nose. So these are known as our outside body parts. Now question number 2. Write the function of. These are some parts of our body and you have to write down the function of this our body parts. These are the mixed questions. Some are outside and some are inside. You have to write down the only function. Now brain. What is the function of a brain? Brain helps us to think. Brain helps us to think. Stomach. What is the use of stomach? What is the function of the stomach? Stomach digests the food. Stomach digests the food. Lungs. What is the function of lungs? To breathe. What is the function of this? Lungs to breathe. Heart. What is the function of heart? To pump the blood. What is the function of this heart? To pump the blood. What is the function of this hand? Yes, what is the function of this hand? Hand help us to write, hand help us to throw, it help us to, yes, pick up, lifting, okay, then throw, then catching. So hands help us to doing so many different work also. The function of legs, yes, because of these legs you can walk, you can jump, you can use skating, you can escaping, so running, so different work is done by our legs. Next is nose. What is the function of this nose? The function of this nose is to smell. Yesterday also I told you about my previous video, the smell word is not related to the only good smell. The smell word is related to only means कैसी है वो चीज़, अच्छी या बुरी, खुशबू कैसी है मीन्स या तो बैड स्मेल और गुड स्मेल. Eyes. Eyes is, what is the function of this eyes? The function of this eyes is to see. Okay, without eyes we cannot see. The function of his eyes is to see. Now the one more question is arises here. That question is this: what is the difference between our inside body parts and outside body parts? You can also write down that the difference between our inside body parts and outside body parts also. So in my previous video, if you know that most of the students have done also that difference, that is inside body parts and outside body parts. This is our inside body parts and here is our outside body parts. So what is the main difference in the inside body parts and outside body parts? What you can write down the first thing. Okay, so in the inside body parts you can see that these parts we cannot see. These part cannot see by our eyes. And this part is, these parts can see by our eyes. Means we cannot see this part and we can see these parts. Now write down the examples of this part. Example means you can write down the lungs, heart, brain. So these are the example of this inside body parts. And the outside body parts examples are, yes, hand, nose, ear. So these are the example of our outside body parts. Okay, so you can write down this difference also if you have not done. If you have done, you don't need to write down it again and again. Okay, so these things are, I hope, clear to you all how to do the work. Now I will show you one copy. Okay, so how to complete your work. This is one copy. First you have to write down the name of this chapter. Okay, this is outside body parts and inside body parts. Then you have to write down hard words like this. Okay, then after you have to write down the extra questions, name them, write the function of, okay, then questions. So you have to write down your work neat and clean. Just I am showing you an example how you can do this work. Okay, this is the write down the difference between the outside and inside body parts also. So you have to complete your chapter like this wise, and you have to also complete your chapter with good handwriting and good work.